Kini nga video is board feet lang gihapon. Pero karon metric system nga board feet. Gamitan nato og meter sa sukod. So dara guys, equivalent 0.00235973,723 cubic meter equals 1 board foot. So sa ato pa, ang atong board feet formula kay mao na ni. Board feet, thickness measured by meter times width measured by meter times length measured by meter over 0.00235973,723 cubic meter. So dira guys ang atong measurement para makakompute na ta. Thickness is 0.0508 meters. Then the width is 0.0762 meters. Then the length is 3.048 meters. So dara ang atong sumada guys. Board feet is 0.0508 meter for the thickness times 0.0762 meter for the width. Then times 3.048 meter for the length over 0.00235973,723 cubic meter. So baba tayo guys. Board feet is 0.117986,861 cubic meter over 0.00235973,723 cubic meter. So cubic meter over cubic meter, so cancel ang cubic meter. So atong sumada is 5 board feet, no? 5 board feet ang atong sumada. Og mao to guys. Og daghang salamat.